Evening, friends. In the last videos, sir, we discussed some programs related to the matrices. This is nothing but a special link which is available, sir, where you can find all matrix programs. Of course, these programs will be added to your hacker rank links also. Don't worry. So, because we are in some 200, I mean, after completion of 200 programs, I will add these programs to your respective hacker ranks, sir. Okay, now sir, let me continue whatever we have finished in the last video. Okay, sir, in the last video, if you observe, sir, we have finished up to 212 programs, so related to the sum, related to the prime numbers, sum, everything we completed. Now, sir, regarding maximum and minimum element is nothing but this program. Okay, sir, we have to write a program to read a 3 by 3 matrix, and we have to find out the maximum element in the 3 by 3. Sir, unlike in arrays, whatever we have done, sir, we have done sorting, right? So after sorting, maximum element means a of n, a of n minus 1, minimum element means a of 0, like that we have taken. But here that is not the case. So what we have to take here is, observe carefully, sir. Sir, is my voice is clear? Why my voice is low? Sir, is my voice is low? Please confirm. Okay, fine, sir. Now, sir, suppose if I have a matrix like this, okay, suppose consider, um, so if I have a matrix like this, sir, 1, okay, and then 2, so and then minus 10, okay, and then 5, sir, and then 6, and then minus 7, okay, and then 8, so let it be 1, and then minus 2, like this. If I have early elements like minus 20, so consider this is nothing but my matrix what I have. So in this, sir, network is okay, I think so. 1 minute, I will switch the network. 1 minute. Yeah, is it okay now? Please confirm. Is it okay now? No. Okay, 1 minute. I will change the position of my mic. Yeah, now is it okay? Is it clear when compared with the previous voice? Yeah. Yeah, fine, sir. Sir, consider this is nothing but matrix what I have. So in this, I want to find out maximum element, sir. Sir, how to take maximum element in the sense, observe carefully. Sir, I will take the first element as the maximum element. That is nothing but 1. Now, what I'm going to do is nothing but I will compare this maximum value with all the elements in the matrix. Okay, sir, my maximum value is 1. Sir, is less than. If it is less than, I mean, if it is less than, so a of ij means what? First element is 1. Sir, condition is false. Then 1 is less than, what is the second element? 2. Sir, condition is true. So the maximum element will become 2, sir. Then, sir, 2 is nothing but next maximum, less than, what is the next value? Okay, minus 10. Minus 10. Sir, the condition is false or true? False. Okay, then it will take 2 as a maximum. Next element is nothing but 5. Condition is true. Then what will happen? This 5 will become maximum element. Okay, next 5 is less than 6. Again, condition is true. Sir, now 6 will become maximum element. Now you have to take 6 and you have to compare with minus 7, which is not less than. Okay, next 6 I am comparing with 8.
Sir, yes, condition is true. 8 will become maximum element. Next, sir, 8 is less than 1. Condition is false. Sir, next 8 is less than minus 20. Condition is false. All the elements has been completed. Now, what is the maximum value, sir? This 8 will become maximum value in the given matrix. If you want to find out for minimum, the algorithm is the same, but in the place of less than, we have to take a greater than symbol. Sir, sometimes they will ask row wise maximum. Row wise maximum means what? You have to stop comparison here itself. So that what will happen? Which is the maximum? 2, sir. Now, here we have to stop comparison here itself. In this, what is the maximum element will become 6. Okay. Sir, here you have to stop comparison here itself. What is the maximum will become 8. Like this, if you stop at this particular stage, you will get a row wise maximum. If you know how to calculate row wise maximum, row wise minimum will become very easy. Sir, with this, we got 4 programs. Remember carefully. Maximum element present in the matrix, minimum element present in the matrix, row wise maximum element, row wise minimum element. Sir, column wise maximum element also we can able to find. So how you can able to do yesterday? Have you remembered? I told in the place of a of ij, if you take so a of ji, immediately the indexes are going to change or not? Yes. If indexes are going to change, automatically, sir, instead of traversing, okay, instead of traversing in this direction, immediately it will transfer in this direction, so that we will get the same maximum element or minimum element. So hope the entire 4 to 5 programs theory part I provided here. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts in this scenario? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts in this scenario? Please confirm. Yes, I request every student to please respond. Is everything is clear? Yes, sir. Now let me go for implementation. So maximum element in matrix. I am going for C language implementation, sir. Let us see how you can able to implement in C language. Problem number is 213. Let me take that 213. Yes. So in this maximum element is 9. In this maximum element is 3. Like that we have. Let me take C language first. Sir, what we have to do? You need to declare the list of required variables. I am taking A of 3 by 3. I and J must be required. We require to calculate max. Now, so I'm going to take for loop. For each I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly, we have to take for each j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Okay, I'm going to read scan percentage d comma ampersand a of ij I'm taking. A of ij I'm taking. Okay, fine. So next, what is our next requirement? I am taking maximum is equal to A of 0, 0, first element. Let me compare from the first element itself. No problem will be there. So I less than 3, I plus plus I am taking. For j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus I am taking. Now you have to print. Sir, printf percentage d followed by space comma. I want to print A of ij. Next, after completion of this, I want to print slash n. Like this we have. So let me run the code. Sorry. We need to print that maximum element. We are trying to printing the values. We have to calculate, right? So if your maximum value is less than A of ij, then your maximum will become A of ij. That's all. Now you need to print that maximum at the end. Print of percentage d comma. So I am taking A of I. Sorry, max. That max variable contains the maximum value. Let me run the program. Is it going to work or not? Yes, definitely. Let me submit the program. This is nothing but how you can able to implement In which programming language? C language. Now, sir, we need to solve the same problem in Java, sir. Let me go for Java implementation. How you can solve this problem in Java? Same scenario, whatever I told in the last videos. So we have to take a scanner. Obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. Then we have to take integer ij. Okay, max is required. That's all. So integer a of empty brackets is equal to new integer of 3 by 3 I am taking. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Okay. Next, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. What we have to do? A of ij is equal to, so obj dot next int I am taking. I am reading the values. Now max is equal to a of 0, 0 I am taking. Now for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Next, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. You have to make a comparison. Sir, if your a of ij, or if your maximum value is less than a of ij, okay, so then your maximum value will become a of ij. Your maximum value will become a of ij. Like this I am taking. Now system dot out dot println of, I am printing the value of max on the screen. Let me run the code and how it will be. So both the test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. So I want to go for Python implementation. Okay, I want to go for Python implementation. Let us see how you can able to implement in Python. Sir, I want to go for a shortcut mechanism because we know how many values we are reading. Okay, I will go with the shortcut. Otherwise, better we will use the previous concept only. So how we have used the previous concept, this one, right? So A, for each I value in the range of 3, we are reading the values. Now you have to find out the maximum value. So I am taking max is equal to A of 0, 0. Now for each I value in range of, for each I value in the range of 3, similarly for each j value in the range of 3, I am taking. So if the maximum value is less than, sir, A of ij, then you are taking max is equal to A of ij. Sir, finally you have to print the value of max. Let me run the code. Is it working or not? Sir, perfectly it is working, and submit the code. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. Sir, this is nothing but a maximum element. Sir, how you can able to calculate for a minimum element? The program is the same, only one modification you have to take. So what is that modification here is, observe carefully, sir. Please confirm what modification we have to do in this program to find out for minimum element. Yes, please confirm. If I want to calculate for minimum element, what modification we have to do? Yes, very good. So you have to take the variable name as min. You have to take the variable name as min, and then, okay, sir, minimum is less than or greater than? No, minimum value is greater than A of ij means then minimum will become this one, minimum. Here also minimum you have to take, okay, minimum you have to take. If minimum is greater than A of ij, then minimum will become this one. Okay, so here also minimum. So minimum is greater than means, so minimum I am printing, minimum I am printing. Okay, I think I don't want to explain this program. You can try by yourself. Sir, please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Okay. Yeah. So the next program is maximum element in each row of a matrix. Maximum element in each row of a matrix. Sir, for this, I will take the previous program help, maximum program help. From that, I will show you, sir. Let us see how you can able to work with this application. Okay. Sir, of course, logic I explained, but just we will see how the program is going to be executed. Each row, maximum value present in each row. So what we have to take here, I am going to take C language implementation here, and I am taking maximum row means what? Sir, please remove this and take here. Please remove from here and take here. So A of I0 will become first row, first element, sir. Okay. Sir, if your maximum is less than A of Ij, your maximum will become A of Ij. That's all. Sir, you have to print this maximum in which row. For every row we have to print. That's why after completion of first row, I am printing the value. Of course, they are expecting line by line, right? Sir, hence I am taking /n. So what will happen? It is going to work for first test case, first case. Suppose if it is running second time, when I is equal to 0, for all the elements it will print maximum. When I is equal to 1, the first element will be considered as a max and it will calculate, it will print. So like this, we are assigning max here, we are comparing, we are printing within the loop. Okay, let me run the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. Sir, even the public test cases and private test cases both are passed successfully, sir. So this is nothing but how you can able to find out, sir, maximum element present in each row of a matrix. Sir, C language implementation is clear for me. What about Java implementation? Sir, coming to the Java implementation, you can take, sir, same previous Java program. Okay, previous Java program, that is nothing but maximum element. Sir, same Java program, right? But what modification you have to do here? You need to take max is equal to, here you need to take max is equal to, sir, not A of 0, 0, A of I0, because I represents row. Then rest of the things are same, but you need to print this maximum value here. Anyway, println is also there. That's why you can skip that. Let me run. Perfect, sir. And submit the code. So this is nothing but how you can able to find out, sir, maximum element in each row of the matrix. Okay, I want to go for Python implementation of this program. Okay, sir, whatever program you have taken for maximum element in Python, the same program you have to take. The only change we know, right? Sir, what we have to do here? You need to take this max is equal to A of 0 in this loop. Okay, then after comparison, okay, once if you come out from this, you have to print. That's all. Sorry, one small mistake we have done. So what is that mistake? You have to take here A of I0. Yes, submit the code. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases also passed successfully. This is nothing but row wise, okay, maximum element how you can able to print. Sir, minimum element present in each and every row means what? Same program you have to do. But what modification we have to do, we know very well. Sir, in the place of max, you have to take minimum. In the place of max, you have to take minimum. Okay, and here also So you need to replace this less than symbol with greater than. So even in Java also, the same scenario will be there. But you have to replace this less than with greater than. So even in Python, same scenarios will be there. But less than is replaced with greater than. So hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts about these two programs? Minimum element present in each and every row, maximum element present in each and every row. Do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? Okay, please confirm. Okay, fine, sir. So the next thing what I have here is, sir, transpose of the given matrix. I want to take a diagrammatic representation for this. So consider I have some elements are there like this. So 1, 2, 3, okay, sir, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. Like this, I have some elements are there. So transpose means what? Transpose means what? If you take this matrix as it is, we will get 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. So transpose means, sir, same matrix, but these rows will be converted into columns and the columns will be converted into rows, sir. That is nothing but what we have. So that means what, in programmatic manner, if you want to take, sir, I comma j is replaced with j comma I. Somewhere we have seen in the previous examples also. Okay, interchanging rows and columns will become, sir, what you can call transpose of the given matrix. Sir, for this program you can able to use reading and writing the matrix elements. Same program you can take, but what changes we have to make? So instead of printing ij, sir, you can print ji. Beyond that, nothing is there. Let me see, I will execute this program in all the programming languages. Okay, sir, 2 something like 217, transpose of the matrix. Observe clear, 123 will become 123 in the column. Okay, now I am taking C program here. I am taking C program here. Minimum all these things are not required. Sir, I have accepted the matrix elements. We have to print now. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, and for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Sir, please confirm, we have to print percentage d a of ij or a of ji. Please confirm which value we have to print, a of ij or a of ji. Ah, very good. So we have to print ji. First, we will see by printing ij what will happen. Sir, requirement is not satisfied. 1 minute. Requirement is not satisfied because the expected answer is nothing but 123, 147, but your output is 123. Sir, better to replace the value of I with j and j with I. Now, is it going to satisfy our test cases? Perfectly. Now, let us submit the code. You can able to see here, almost all the test cases are satisfied. Perfect. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in which programming language? C implementation. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, I want to go for Java implementation of this program. So in Java also same concept, sir. Just we have to read the matrix elements and we have to print in opposite direction. That is by interchanging rows and columns. Now observe carefully. I am taking Java here. Okay. Now same for loop I am going to check. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So system dot out dot print of. I am printing a of ji we have to take plus some space, and after completion of this system dot out dot println I am taking. I think minimum all these things are not required. Let me run the code. So all the test cases are passed. Let us submit the code. So all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java. Let me go for sir Python implementation. I want to implement this program in Python. So in Python also same scenario. How we have accepted the matrix and we have to print in reverse direction. Yes, here we need to change it. So we have to print. So a of ji and followed by end is equal to space. After completion of the first row, I am printing like this. Let me run the code. Yes, working properly, and submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but what we have in Python. Now, sir, trace of the given matrix. Sir, already we completed this problem. Just let me view the overview. Implement a program to find the trace. Trace means what here? Sum of diagonal elements of the given matrix. Already we have written a program to calculate a sum of diagonal elements. Sir, somewhere it is there in beginning. 1 minute, let me check. Sum of first. Yes, this one. Have you observed sum of diagonal elements? I think same program, sir. 1 minute, let me copy paste this program. So at least one programming language test case we will run so that we will get clarity whether it is the same or not. Let me take Python code 218 program, right? Yes. Sir, any doubts up to these programs? Please confirm. Any doubts up to these programs? Please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Please confirm. Okay. Yeah. 18 explain. Sir, very simple. It is nothing. They are asking trace of the given matrix. Trace means a sum of diagonal elements only. So yesterday I explained, right? Diagonal elements means what? Okay. Where the values of rows and columns are same. That means nothing but this one. So here this value is nothing but 0 comma 0. This value is nothing but 1 comma 1. This value is nothing but 2 comma 2. Where the row value and the column value are same means that particular set is called as diagonal elements. So that diagonal elements sum they required. So how to calculate that one? Normal sum only, but If the value of I is double equal to j, then we have to find out the sum. Clear? Ranjish. One minute. Yeah. Sir, next program, what we have here is LBP number 219. So find the frequency of odd and even elements. Sir, write a program to find the frequency of odd and even elements in the matrix excluding 0. So 0 generally comes under which category? Even elements, but we should not consider that. So like that, we have to write the program. I think the program is very simple. Just we have to find out how many even elements are there and how many odd elements are there. Let me implement in C language first. If you take here, observe carefully. Sir, how many even elements are there? 2 is the even element, 4 is the even element, 6 is the even element, 8 is the even element. Total 4 even elements are there. 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5 odd elements are there. Like this, we have to print. Sir, in this case, how many even elements are there? 0. How many odd elements are there? 3. Because this 0 will comes under even only. But we should not count because in the program they have told that excluding 0 you have to perform. Sir, this program is very simple only. Please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people? If the logic is clear, I can go for implementation. Please confirm, guys, is the logic is clear for you people? Yes, I request everyone to respond. Sushant, observe carefully. Write a program to find frequency. That means count of odd and even elements in the matrix, excluding 0. So we have to count odd elements and even elements. Odd element means what? The element which is not divisible by 2 will comes under odd. In that case there is no problem. But if it is even, 0 is also comes under even category. So it should be divisible by 2 and the remainder should be 0, but that number is not equal to 0. Okay, such a type of elements we have to count. So that means it is even element only, in that 0 should not be there. Okay, so we are reading the elements, observe carefully. N not n, a of ij is not equal to 0 means clear, Sushant? So a of ij, it must be divisible by 2. Okay, and that element a of ij should not be equal to 0, not equal to 0. Such a type of things means even plus plus, otherwise odd plus plus. Clear, Sushant? So let me go for implementation, sir. Now I am taking integer. So a of 3 by 3 matrix, I and then j. Sir, counter 1, counter 2. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So I am taking scanf percentage d comma ampersand e of ij I am taking. Fine. So next what we have to do, sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Then for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Now you have to decide. Sir, how you can able to decide? Count 1 is equal to 0, count 2 is equal to 0. So count 1 is for odd numbers because they are asking first odd, then it is even. But anyway, I will check for first even. If a of ij percentage 2 is equal to 0 means it is even number. At the same time, if a of ij is not equal to 0 means odd elements plus plus, else even elements plus plus. Even in the output, sir, they are asking percentage d slash n percentage d comma, we have to print c2 comma c1 in the reverse direction, because in the output first they have asked odd number and then even frequency. Oh my god. So yeah, here c1 is odd, right? C2 is even, sorry. C1 is odd, C2 is even. C1 is odd, C2 is even. So first one is working properly. But the second one, sir, our output is 9. Sir, expected output is nothing but 3. That means what? In the even count, no, in the odd count, it is doing mistake. Yeah, have you observed? If this condition fails, it is going for this one. So what we have to do here? If a of ij percentage 2 is not equal to 0, not equal to 0, you have to include this one also. Then only it will be considered, because if the first if condition is not satisfied, it is moving to that one. That means what? If you take 0, in 0 only that possibility is there. It is divisible by 2, but it is not equal to 0 means first condition is fail. If first condition is fail, where it is going to be added? In the else part. But we should not add in the else part, because else part contains the frequency of odd elements. That's why, sir, I'm going to write a separate if condition for even elements and a separate if condition for odd elements. Now see what will happen. Let me submit the code. All the test cases are satisfied successfully. Now let me go for Java implementation of this program, sir. I am taking program as in Java. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in So integer I comma j comma c1 comma c2, c1 comma c2 I am taking. Okay, now integer a is equal to new integer of 3 by 3. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So I am taking a of ij is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. I am reading the next integer value. Now c1 is equal to 0, which is meant for which number? C1 is equal to 0 means let it be for odd. Then C2 is equal to 0 for even. So in any order you can take. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus I am taking. Shiva Chandu, why second if condition is not taking even numbers? Why second if condition not taking even numbers? Why it will take even numbers? Because if a number is divisible by 2, it comes under even category. It will be added in the first condition. If it is not even number, then it will come to odd numbers category. Our program is okay, but they have given one small twist. What is that twist? So 0 is not considered as a number. So that's why 0 comes under which category? Even category. That's why I have taken and symbol, and I am taking a of ij should not be equal to 0. So if I am taking that one, what will happen? Especially that 0 will come into the odd numbers list. See, in the odd numbers, we are not checking condition. If it is not even number, then I am adding. I am not mentioning explicitly. Okay. Are you getting the point? That's why I have inserted a separate condition for odd number also. Siva. Yeah. So now I am taking for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Sir, now what thing we have to take here? If a of ij percentage 2 is equal to 0, at the same time that a of ij should not be equal to 0 means even numbers plus plus. Okay, so if a of ij percentage 2 is not equal to 0 means c1 plus plus. Sir, please wait, one emergency call, please wait for 2 minutes. Sorry and thank you. Sir, now we have calculated C1 and C2, right? Now what is our duty? So we have to print both the values. System dot out dot println of, so I am printing C1, and then system dot out dot println of, I am printing C2. Let me execute this code, sir. Yes, working properly, and submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see here all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java programming, sir. So I want to go for Python implementation. Okay, I want to go for Python implementation. Sir, let us see how you can able to implement in Python. Sir, I will take the previous program for a reading purpose. Okay, for reading purpose, I am taking the previous program. So next, what we have to do, sir, you need to take two counters. You have to take two counters. C1 is equal to 0, C2 is equal to 0. C1 is for odd numbers, C2 is for, sorry, in Python, hash is the comment. So this is for even numbers, right? Now what we have to do for each I value, sir, in, okay, for each I value in the range of, sir, 3. Similarly, for each j value in the range of 3. So we have to check if a of ij percentage 2 is equal to 0, and at the same time, sir, a of ij is not equal to 0 means, so we have to count even values. C2 is equal to C2 plus 1. So if a of ij percentage 2 is not equal to 0 means, C1 is equal to C1 plus 1. Finally, sir, we have to print C1 and we have to print C2. Beyond that, nothing is there. Let me run the code. Yes, 3 test cases are passed successfully, and let us submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python, sir. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in this program? Please confirm, do you have any doubts in this program? I request everyone to respond, sir. Now, sir, a difficult problem we are going to see now. Okay, please be concentrate, because once if you know this, then you can able to understand what internal things are there in the matrices. Because whatever programs we have seen till now is nothing but small chota applications. But now whatever programs we are going to see, okay, is nothing but somewhat internal in detail explanation will be there. Please try to concentrate well, sir. Okay, please try to concentrate well. Yeah, so what is the problem here is LBP number 220, sir. So identity matrices, we have to implement a program to check whether the matrix is identity matrix or not. Sir, first I will explain the logic in diagram, then I will go with implementation. Please concentrate well, sir, how it is going to be set. Sir, I am taking two matrices for your understanding purpose. 100, 010, 001. This is nothing but the first matrix consider. Sir, second matrix is nothing but sir, something like 1 2 3. Okay, sir, 4 5 6 7 8 9, like this we have. Okay, so we have to check whether these two matrices are identity matrices or not. Sir, how you can able to check? How you can able to check? Sir, do you know what I am going to set is, initially I am going to set a flag is equal to 1. Array, yes boss, it is identity matrix. Then I can change the value of sir flag is equal to 0 in two cases. What is the first case is nothing but, sir, my I value and j value should be equal. Okay, at the same time the value of a of ij should be equal to, sir, it should not be equal to 1. Okay, so I value and j value is the same, means compulsory that element should be what, 1, then only it is identity matrix. Now I am taking inverse for this. My I value and j value should be same, but that value should not be equal to my it should not be equal to 1, means flag value is equal to 0. Sir, is this condition is satisfied here? No, that means flag is not equal to 0. What is the second constraint? Sir, when the value of I is not equal to j. Okay, sir, when the value of I is not equal to j means what? These zeros. Compulsory in these positions, zeros should be there, right? So if zeros are not there, okay, if a of ij is not equal to 0, then I am going to set. Is these values are not equal to 0? No, sir. So this condition is also not satisfied. What is the final value of f? 1. That means yes, it is nothing but identity matrix. Sir, same explanation I am taking here. Observe, sir, identity matrix is nothing but yes, true. Now what is the first case? The flag will become 0 when, sir, when I is equal to j at the same time. Okay, sir, your a of ij elements should not be equal to 1, sir. Ij, this value will come. Sir, is it not equal to -1? Sorry, is it equal to, is it not equal to 1? Yes, it is equal to 1. That means what, sir, condition is so 1 is not equal to 1. What is the condition? True only, right? Then 5, sir, 5 is not equal to 1. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I value j value both are equal, means what, this entire condition is satisfied. So what will happen? The value of f will become 0. This 0, sorry, 1 will be overridden to 0. I can stop here itself. If it is 0, it is not okay, what you can call identity matrix. Sir, because of this 5, forget about the remaining content. Because of this 5, I have decided it is not identity matrix. The simple rule for identity matrix in the sense, all the diagonal elements should be 0, non-diagonal elements should be sorry, diagonal elements should be 1, so non-diagonal elements should be 0. So I am taking contradiction for that. Array, whatever matrix you have given is identity matrix. I will check first diagonals. If diagonals all the elements are 1, then okay, no problem. If it is not equal to 1, yes, it is not a diagonal, it is not a identity matrix. Stop the process. Okay, what is the second case? Sir, non-diagonal elements should be 0. If it is not equal to 0, then it is not identity matrix. Sir, based on these conditions, I am going to write the loop. Please confirm, friends, is the explanation is clear for you people? Clear? Sir, if you understand this one, sir, please refer the video one more time. Ranjish, that's what I am telling. Please put concentration while listening. Okay, I hope the concept is clear for you people. That's why I have taken two examples. Okay, sir, again in a short form I am explaining. Whatever matrix you have got, sir, I am considering that it is identity matrix. So when it is not identity matrix, there are two possibilities are there. First, we have to check for diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements you have to check. If it is identity matrix, diagonal elements should be 1. Other than 1, if you are getting, then you can make it as it is not identity matrix. You can stop the process. Similarly for second case. Okay. Sufyan, sir, if non-diagonal element is not 0, then what is that matrix? We will discuss that. I think so. I don't have much knowledge on matrix. Maybe you will get the program. We will see. If all diagonal elements are zero, I mean, sorry, if all diagonal elements are one, non-diagonals are zero, means it is identity matrix. Okay. Maybe next program is also something related to that. We will see, sir. Now, sir, I am going for implementation. Okay. I am going for implementation 220 program. Let me see now, sir. So whatever I have told, just I am trying to implement. Listen carefully, friends. Integer e of 3 by 3. So ij, I am taking initially, yes, the matrix which you have given is diagonal. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Have you observed? Before reading the matrix itself, I have taken the decision. Okay. Now I am reading the elements one by one. I am going to read the values. Ampersand E of ij. So after reading the elements, sir, what we have to do? You need to check for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Array, check two if conditions. If first if condition is satisfied, then make flag is equal to 0 and stop the process. Okay. If second condition is satisfied, make flag is equal to 0 and stop the process. So finally, we have to print based on the condition. So what values they have asked in the output, yes or no, right? So if it is 0, then yes, otherwise no. Okay. So what is the condition here? Sir, if a flag is equal to 1, then yes. So what is this condition? Array I is equal to j. What about here? I is not equal to j, non-diagonal elements. And that element compulsory, it should not be equal to not equal to 1, means then it is not a diagonal element. So here a of ij, okay, is not equal to 0, means then it is not a diagonal element. That's all. Perfect. So this is nothing but how you can able to check for diagonal element, I mean identity matrix or not. Okay. Now I want to implement this program in Java, sir. Sir, once if you got the logic, then implementing in different programming languages is not that much difficult task for programmers like us, right? So scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner we have to take system dot in I am taking, system dot in I am taking. Then integer, okay, ij, and then flag is equal to, okay, let it be, but I will take boolean value. So boolean, because Java is a beautiful programming language, we have to enjoy the flavor of Java. That's why, so I don't want to take integer, I will take boolean value. Now we have to read the elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Sir, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. I am reading a of ij is equal to, sir, obj dot next int. Now you can verify here, sir. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Two if conditions I am checking. If I is double equal to j and a of ij is not equal to 1, means then I am taking flag is equal to false, then terminate the loop. So what is another condition? Sir, if I is not equal to j, okay, and a of ij is not equal to 0, means then we have to make flag is equal to 0, sorry, flag is equal to false, and then terminate the process. So finally, sir, we have to print system dot out dot print ln of, if the value of a flag is true, means we have to print yes, otherwise you have to print no. Sir, no need to check with equal to, because it is a boolean operator only, right? That's why directly I am taking. Yes. So hope it is very clear for you. Now, sir, I want to implement the program in Python. Let me go for Python implementation of this program. Sir, reading of the matrix I will take from here. So how you can able to do the program? Sir, first step is nothing but what? So I'm going to set flag is equal to true. Then I am reading the matrix elements. Sir, for each I value in the range of 3, and for each j value in the range of 3. Okay, so if I is equal to j, and so a of ij, okay, a of ij is not equal to 1 means, then I am going to set flag is equal to false, and then terminate the loop. If I is not equal to j and a of ij is not equal to 0 means, then also flag is equal to, sir, false, and terminate the loop. Finally, sir, we have to print yes. So if flag, else I am going to print no. That's all. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. Perfect. Let me submit the code. Yes, working properly. This is nothing but how you can able to implement this program in Python. Please confirm, do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? I request everyone to respond, please. I request everyone to respond, sir. Yeah. So the next one what we have here is LBP number, sir, 221. Two matrices are equal or not, we have to check. So I think, sir, you can apply the same logic or not. Okay, anyway, I will take a new diagram and then I will explain for you. Listen carefully. Consider my first matrix is, I will take 2 by 2 matrix, sir. So 1, 2, 3, 4 I have given. The second matrix is nothing but something like 1, 0, 0, 1, like this I am giving. Now you have to print yes or no. Here I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the second matrix is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, sir, initially I am going to set yes. It is nothing but equal matrices. Now I will compare the first element with the first element, equal, sir. Second element with second element, not equal. Then you can assign flag is equal to 0, and then you can stop the process. Finally, if 0 means no, so 1 means what? Yes, but it is no, right? Now here I am taking flag is equal to 1. Is the first elements are same? Yes. Second element is same? Yes. Third element is same? Yes. Fourth element is same? Yes. That means flag 0 won't be executed. Now it will print yes. So hope the concept is clear for you people. Don't worry, I will execute the program, then you will get clarity. Okay. Sir, I am taking the program like 221. Observe carefully how I can able to implement this. For this, I will take the help of a previous program, sir. I will take the help of a previous program, because in this all the flags, everything is already available. That's why. Now a small changes you required. So flag is equal to 1. In addition to a of 3, 3, you have to take another matrix also. Now the same for loop you have to write one more time to read B matrix. So when the if condition is going to be satisfied, sir, if the element which is available in A of ij is not equal to B of ij means, flag is equal to 0, and then you have to stop the process. Perfectly working, and submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have in C language. Sir, I want to implement this program in Java. Okay, I want to implement this program in Java. Let me take Java implementation of this program. So same program, right? Same program only I am taking with a small modification. So we have to take another matrix like integer b of is equal to new integer of 3 and then 3. Okay. Next, same for loop you have to read one more time. So b of ij I am taking. Now what is a condition? If a of ij is not equal to b of ij, sir, then flag is equal to flag is equal to false. That's all. Perfectly working and test cases also satisfied. This is nothing but Java implementation what we have. Let me go for Python implementation. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Have a look once. Same code I am taking. But we have to take one more list called B, and we have to repeat this process. B dot append. And here, what is a condition that we have to take? So A of ij is double equal to, sir, B of ij means, okay. Oh, double equal to or not? 1 minute. Yeah, not equal to. Sorry, sir. Not equal to means then it is not a same matrix. No, yes, 1 minute. P of not ji, we have to take ij. Thank you. Perfect. Now let me run the code. So you can able to see all the test cases are satisfied successfully. Yeah. Sir, do you have any doubts in this challenge? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts in this challenge? Please confirm. Clear? Okay, sir. So let me go for the next problem. The next program, what we have here is, sir, LBP number. Okay, LBP number 222. So what is this program? Addition of two matrices. Sir, if we consider flag is equal to false, if A of ij is equal to, then means flag is equal to true. But that thing won't be work out, Lokesh. The reason for that is, see why I have chosen this logic in the sense, whatever logic you have told. So if at least one element is equal, it will return true. It will print yes, right, Lokesh? If you want to check for all the elements, you need to maintain one counter variable. And if all times these equal elements are equal means, then you have to increment to keep on counter. Finally, if your counter will become the number of elements in the matrix, then you have to print yes. So when compared with that, this logic will be very easy. Hope you got the clarity. Lokesh? You people are thinking in a different manner. Really appreciable. Very good. Now, addition of two matrices, sir. Sir, it is the same like previous program only. So you know very well, I think so, how you can able to do addition. So we have to read two matrices and then we have to perform addition operation. So same program I am going to take here. Yes. So reading two matrices is common, right? That's why I have copied the previous one. But you need to take one more matrix. Okay. And then this flag is not required. Okay. Now we have accepted two matrices and you can calculate what is the formula. Sir, new element in the new matrix is nothing but a of ij plus b of ij. First element in the first matrix, first element in the second matrix, addition is nothing but first element in the resultant matrix. Then sir, printing of the matrix is also same, right? We have to take a for loop. In that, in the place of scanf, I am taking printf and we have to print c. Next, and after that you have to print slash n. That's all. It is nothing but addition, just normal addition. How you are going to take the same logic? Take the first element in the first matrix, first element in the second matrix, add and then store it in the third matrix. That's all. Let me run the code. Perfectly working, sir. Now you have to submit the code. Okay. Sir, same thing in Java also, right? Same thing in Java also. So let me take Java implementation. Let me take Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to implement in Java? Sir, I want to take the previous program helper. Okay. Now I am taking integer c is equal to, so new integer of 3 by 3 and AB acceptance is okay. Sir, C of ij is equal to, so A of ij plus B of ij I am printing. So next what we have to do, same thing, same loop to print the result value. Here we have to print system dot out dot sir, print of C of ij I am taking, okay, plus some space, and after completion of every row, system dot out dot println. That's all. Let me run the code. Success, and submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java. So let me take Python implementation. Sir, I want to implement this program in Python. So in Python also same code whatever we have taken in the previous example for reading two matrices. But we need to take one more matrix, right? C. Okay. Now observe carefully. Here the problem will come. Okay. Sir, for each element I in the range of 3. Okay. For each element j in the range of 3, I am going to take sir, L of, sorry, C of ij. C of ij is equal to A of ij plus B of ij. B of ij. I think it will store all the values, but while printing whether it is going to take or not. 1 minute, sir. Let me print C. We will see, is it in runtime error, list index out of range. 1 minute. Yeah, C. The problem will come into the picture. Okay, so I will do one thing. Here I am taking CC is equal to something like this. So I will use CC dot append, CC dot append of this element. Then after completion of this, I will append CC to C. Now let me check. Hmm, all the values came. Yes. Sir, now I want to print the values individually. Don't worry, I will explain. So for each I value in the range of 3, okay, for each j value in the range of 3, so print of C of ij I am taking, comma end is equal to space. After printing first row, just space I am giving. I mean, empty line I am giving. Let me submit the code. Yes. Sir, how it is going to work? So how it is going to work? Just have a look once. Sir, here we know, suppose if the first matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So second matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Sir, how the data is stored in the form of list objects, right? So that's why, sir, what I am going to take here is, sir, I'm creating a new list. C, a new list got created. So now CC is equal to, again a new list got created for each j value in the 3. Sir, CC dot, that means in this I am trying to append the values A of I plus B of I. 1 plus 1, that means 1. Sir, 2 plus 0, that means 2. Then I am appending this value, so that what will happen, it will insert in the form of list. So next again CC will become empty. Then again I am adding next 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 1, 5. I am appending this one. So it will become 3 comma 5. Like this, every value it is appending. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? Is the concept is clear for you people? I request everyone to respond. Okay. Yeah. Sir, next program, I think same as this one. Observe carefully, subtraction of two matrices. Sir, what modification we have to do? In the place of a plus, we have to take minus. Except that remaining things are same or not? Yes. You need to take minus here, except that rest of the things are same. I think no need for any explanation. Okay. Sir, anyway, tomorrow we will discuss about how you can able to perform multiplication, because it is not the same as addition and subtraction. Multiplication, a different logic we have to take. And then how to sort the elements in ascending order. All these things we are going to discuss one by one tomorrow. Sir, tomorrow also we have a session at what time, sir? You have to attend the class at 7:30 with this same link. Okay, 7:30 to maybe 9 o'clock I will take tomorrow also. Please bear for one day. Monday we can finish these matrix programs. Okay, please bear. Okay, sir, thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Same timings, same link, sir. Okay, thank you. Star programs separately we have. Already in Python, we have conducted a small workshop for 20 to 25 programs. Anyway, from the next week, it will be resumed. Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, running notes, I am going to update. 7:31. Sivachandu, you are from which batch? 8:30? Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow, only tomorrow. Yeah, because we need to complete that matrix programs. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. No, no, no. Up to. Okay, okay. Please adjust for 1 or 2 days. Yes, sir. I updated running notes for yeah. I updated running notes for all the batches. You can able to cross check and you can download. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Thank you.